Hello, this is Ethan.
Hello, this is Irene.
Today we will take you a visual tour of factory. If you need 1 versus 1 visual tour, $100 deposit is needed. So today, let's go. Hi, this is our production line. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Ooh. We produce all kinds of vending machines, as you can see on the picture. Many pizza machine is waiting to produce online. Yeah. So we have 2 sample machines. We can test it right now today. So there we go. This one. So you can see we can customize all the stickers for you, and the sticker is mobile grade. Mobile grade, the top grade stickers. So you can see on the side is really good, very good. So it stays for over 5 years later, no problem. And also on the toppings, we can make the topping like decal if you want to. And also if you need a roof top, a raised shelter top, and we also can customize for you for this white. And the third option, if you need like a house, we can build a house for you. Like this size, very big, a house for you. So you can see the picture, everything. So we can move to this way. So let's move on to the interface. So you can see this is a 55 inches, very large screen. You can put an advertisement right here, and also all of the pictures. And one very unique function right here, so you can switch the language here very easily. For example, this German customer, you can switch to English, German. If you have 3 languages, you can switch like here. Everything will change, language will change very easily. Okay, so we will choose this one, English, for test right now. Only. Okay. Credit card. It's about credit card, cash, and con. Okay. We can open the door. We have a 3-layer door. Very heavy and very big. 3-layer door. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you can see, look inside right now. The pizza's picking. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. You can see the oven there. 你可以帮我打开一下吗？
天哪！
Wow. This is it. Goodbye. Bye.